Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings and tap on Display section. Now tap on Brightness level over here and click on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness. As you can see, Auto Brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same switcher. But you can also go into Tab menu and click on this little A icon next to Brightness slider instead. If it's orange, that means that Auto Brightness is on. You can turn it off by clicking on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!